Our video today is how to add ghost effect in Capcut. First, launch your Capcut application. Then add one clip. Tap your clip and copy. Then tap Overlay. Drag the overlay clip to match the first clip. Tap the overlay clip, then click Splice and select Filter. Scroll at the side and tap Opacity, then Adjust. Now let's add a keyframe to the overlay clip. The purpose for this keyframe is so there will be a little movement for the overlay clip when we will going to play the ghost effect. Let's add as well an animation. Click Fade Out. Adjust a little, then play your video. And that's how we add ghost effect in Capcut.